You know, I always look at the positive side to stuff, you know, in regards of...
With regards to... And finally, Six Nations also starts today. In England, it kicks off at tea time against France at Twickenham. Murrayfield is the curtain raiser. Oh, I was doing so well. I've only got 14 minutes to go. Blown it. No, by the way, I've got a confession to make. We had lots of people texting in this morning telling Cass to stop deep breathing during interviews. It's me. Sorry, I forget. And then I don't step away from the microphone. Cass is not a deep breather.
Thanks for saying that.
It's heavy breathing.
10 seconds
it's
to
heavy
11.
breathing.
Heavy breathing.
I'm just too near the microphone and I forget that I can't hear myself. So there we go. Deaf as well. Brilliant. Hello, Mike Graham.
Hello.
Off you go.
Thank you very much
Thanks.
indeed.